From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is a tropical weather update.
Fred Gossage here in the Tennessee Valley Weather Center on this Monday, August 25th, 2025, with your daily regularly scheduled tropical weather update. Not a whole lot going on in the Atlantic Basin. We do still have Tropical Storm Ferdinand out in the northern parts of the central Atlantic, still spinning around. Wind has actually intensified a little bit this afternoon, despite the convection getting detached from the center of circulation in the lower levels. I bet a bit of this is from ventilation from upper level shear. I don't expect this to be a major system over the northern Atlantic. As a matter of fact, here over the next couple days, this will be becoming a non-tropical low as it gets absorbed by the upper level jet stream. Forgot to change my translation there to Ferdinand instead of Aaron, but we have the latest advisory here on our Ferdinand tracking off to the northeast at 13 miles an hour, maximum sustained winds up to 60 miles per hour as of the late morning advisory. This will continue to move north and northeast over the next couple days. You can see it weakening into a non-tropical low here by Wednesday morning, so not expecting to have this system on the board for too much longer and not a threat to the mainland United States. Elsewhere, no tropical development expected in the Atlantic Basin for the next 7 days. The MJO is kind of shifting over to the Indian Ocean in a less favorable position for tropical development in the Atlantic. These past couple systems were kind of on the tail end of that, and I think we're going into a lull for the next few weeks before things maybe start to crank up by mid-September, and then headed on into the second half of the month, and then forward as we head into October as well. We may get a little more active from mid-September into mid-October. We do have Invest 99L in the Eastern Caribbean, but this is running into what we nicknamed the Caribbean graveyard, where the low-level trade winds shear everything apart. And with this such a shallow, weak system, that's exactly what is happening. And this is no longer expected to develop by the National Hurricane Center. Elsewhere, we have some very weak tropical waves rolling through the Eastern Atlantic along the intertropical and convergence zone, but a lot of dust and dry air still out here. And we're also starting to get out of that favorable upward motion on the large scale in the upper atmosphere, so not expecting these waves to develop. The next name on the list is Gabrielle, and we do have a long way to go in the hurricane season. The peak of it, not even here yet. That happens on September 10th, and the season itself goes all the way through the end of November.